So knowing those things, what are some of the other reasons that you think executives should think about bringing in no-code technologies to really help enable that digital transformation?
Well, I mean, you talk about how we bring vision to an early stage reality, right? And that vision, I said, is a one-page template. And if you don't go down the kind of traditional, product development engineering path, I got to get in front of customers and learn what they want. I got to have somebody write up wireframes. I have to have somebody else write up requirements for me. That's got to get translated into an agile template so that, my agile teams are now iterating and improving on it. Now my agile teams are doing things in code environments. I got to build the code. I got to build the testing. I got to build all the DevOps around it, and, somewhere in there, hopefully I'm collecting all the data I need to make sense of how this thing is performing and what people are using with it. What's the journey around this? I got to do a lot of work, even to do the most simple first stage prototype, but there's just a lot of overhead around that. And so you start looking at, how do I cheat? Right? How do I circumvent a lot of that work when I want to do something at small scale to start that I know will enable me to evolve and scale it as I go forward? And so instead of a wireframe, instead of a set of requirements, I'm bringing a no-code platform in, sitting with some stakeholders, sitting with some customers, listening and building something in real time and
Yep.
letting them see what that looks like. And then I'm going to go pilot it and let 20, 30 people use it and getting that experience folded into my development process. And then, yes, I'm going to use my IT shop. My IT shop's going to come in and make sure I'm collecting data in a consistent way. That when I need to integrate with other platforms, I can do that well. So it's, yes, that multidisciplinary team, what you call a fusion team. I will use more traditional language and say it's multidisciplinary. It's going to have agile developers on it at times, but it's going to have a lot of work being done by our subject matter experts. It's going to have my data scientists involved so that they can actually build visualization around it as we scale and learn how things are operating. I'm adding all the additional capability once I know the experience is working for me. Once I know that I can sell and market to it, once I know what the customer support issues to it. So I'm taking something really simple, bringing it to market, using very elegant and very easy to use tools, and then scaling it as I'm seeing success from it.